Hi everybody, I'm Haley.
And I'm Kayli.
And today, we're trying skeleton makeup?
What is professional makeup
Professional.
kit, because
yes.
we're a bunch of professionals.
Mm-hmm. They have instructions on the back.
Thank God.
I'll insert. But it does look like, you know, when somebody's like, here's how you draw this. And then each step is just so much more elaborate than the last. That's what this is giving.
It is giving that.
But we're going to see if we can't recreate this for Halloween.
Do you know how to draw?
No.
There it is.
How do you have do you have a thing? Some keys?
You want me to use my nails? Do the thing. Ooh, look at the last pose, bitch.
My bitch pose nasty. I love how it says step 1, put the black hood on before the makeup is applied.
There's a black hood?
Well, he's wearing, in the picture, he's wearing a black hood. So in the instructions, they're like, yeah, put that black hood on first so your dumbass doesn't try to put it over your head after you do all this hard work and makeup. So black hood or whatever your fit is, go ahead and put it on before. All right. It comes with translucent setting powder. I bet this is probably really good even for makeup. Watch it just be really nice. A towel.
No, this is the hood.
Hello?
This is...
No.
How am I supposed to put my big ass head in here?
This is the...
There's
I'm
no
dead!
way.
I didn't know they gave you a hood. I thought they just meant like your own hoodie. All right.
Oh, she's snug.
Wait. Hello?
It's kind of choking me.
What am I... Okay, disclaimer. If you have a lot of hair, this is not going to work.
Oof.
I look like fucking Little Red Riding Hood. This is not...
To grandmother's house we go. Girl, what do I look like a damn clown.
All right, get our mirrors out. Well... I look like that Chihuahua dog. I'm about to rob somebody unsuccessfully.
It's like you misunderstood how to do a disguise.
Okay, well, I had cute little cat ears on, so.
Put them on top. Yo.
There we go.
Ooh, that's cute.
Okay. I think we finally got it. This is a mess, girl.
Great.
All right. Step 2. Make sure you have a clean face. But I guess it comes with some face paint makeup, some sponges. It's giving CVS 30 years ago.
Damn.
And another sponge and some eyeliner. Okay.
There it is. Makeup dissolves. All right. I think I'm done.
Hold on, girl. Oh no. I'm ugly. All right, cool.
Here we go. Ready?
Step 2.
Apply the white with a sponge applicator. Don't apply a heavy coat around the eyes, as this will be filled in with black and gray. Lightly press Marron's color set powder into the makeup using the powder puff. Dust off any excess.
That's a long ass step, fucking.
So what we're doing is putting the white, but not super heavy around the eyes. Okay. That's what I'm hearing.
I feel like I look like an egg. We don't need any water on this.
No water.
All right.
Or do we? It doesn't say anything.
It doesn't say. We're just good. Oh, she's creamy.
Ooh. Oh, pigmentation. Okay.
Okay, ghosty.
Ooh. Let's get sheet faced.
It smells like a Michael store. But maybe that's why. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, I kind of like it. I saw this Beetlejuice trend where like you do this and then you push your lips together like this.
Yes.
And you put black on and then it goes
just like
the
that.
creases.
So it's giving the crackle nails.
Yes.
Okay.
The crackle.
This is making me realize I'm not as pale as I thought I was.
You know, there can always be paler.
Honestly.
This is
a caramel queen?
Oh. It's making my teeth very yellow in comparison. Don't smile.
No more tooth rolls. I look an absolute mess. I know we're not at our final form.
We have to trust the process. Isn't that what they say? Trust the process.
I don't trust many things. Oh. This process being one of them. Ooh.
All right. I think I'm ready for step 2.
Okay.
How are you feeling?
2? I think we're ready, yeah.
Okay. I licked my lips. Do you think I will die?
That's disgusting.
All right, ready?
With the sponge. Oh wait, don't forget. Did we put the powder into the makeup?
Oh shh,
girl. I almost. This is like super loose powder. Here.
So I have a little bit right here.
Put it in the cap.
Oh, smart. Oh no!
What do you?
Cut the camera.
I'm just gonna.
Maybe I should take some off my.
God, it's like flour.
I don't like this game anymore, Haley.
Oh gosh, this is awful.
Okay, I'm ready for step 2.
Apply the black cream makeup with a sponge to the areas shown and use a black pencil liner to create the lines.
Okay, so he's got a line on his
Pretty
forehead.
pigmented.
Ooh, someone's hungry.
So one is like slightly higher than the other.
And then he has like some angry eyebrow. I have a small forehead though. My canvas is very small.
Well, luckily for me. I'm kind of just
like that. I honestly don't know where my cheekbones are. Little curly mustache.
Okay.
That was the best thing I've done so far.
Get rid of that. You're an embarrassment.
How did you do such a good nose?
Maybe I am an artist. Just outline your fucking nostrils, bitch.
Oh.
You look like a mime. Oh my god.
I'm gonna do another sponge.
I'm gonna do the small one. Okay.
Oh, you're doing that? Oh.
Because I feel like it's gonna be.
Well, I'm gonna do my eyes
easy.
first. Oh, it just wiped off all of my white base.
I'm telling you, use the other sponge.
Oh. Yeah, I guess you were right. Maybe from a distance it will look better.
That's what I'm thinking. It's still, Halloween is dark anyway.
True. Turn the lights off. Look at me from a distance. Okay. One eye down. One to go. What are you laughing at?
Why is it all the way down there, bitch?
Is it not supposed to be that low?
I mean, it's. Don't make me laugh, bitch. My shit's smudging.
Everybody matters. I'm gonna do a little bit of a pat. Should I do a pat? Would that be a mistake?
It sounds like a mistake.
Okay, you're right. Let me stop. Why does my nose look like that? What did I do wrong? Where did I go wrong, bro?
You look a fucking like a maniac, bitch. Respectfully, I don't
think that was
I know.
respectfully. I feel like this cheek looked a little bit better. Let me
fuck.
spread it out.
Okay. Spread them cheeks, girl.
Ooh.
Okay.
You did such a good job, Haley. You lied. You said that you weren't an artist.
Can you wait till the end?
There we go. There we go. We did it.
It's coming together.
Oh, from a distance, it actually doesn't look bad.
Are we ready for step 3?
I am.
4? All right, use a sponge to blend the black into the white to soften the edges. You can also use the gray to blend in with the black to give a softer look. Lightly press the corset powder into the black areas. Be sure to rub enough powder on the puff and rotate the puff to keep it clean. See, I don't know if I'm doing that because that powder was a absolute mess. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it out.
How are you doing that?
Just with the corner.
Okay. Did you grab anything?
Nope.
Okay.
Gonna blend first.
Go big or go fucking home, right, Haley?
I'll go home.
Oh, true.
I will go right the fuck home, bitch. Don't tempt me.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some powder on because I feel like it could make it look better. There's no way. I don't know how we were supposed to follow these directions. This is kind of making me mad.
No, this is just like the paint is it's coming up and
They just
maybe I
lied.
can add some more white paint to clean.
Yeah, you know what? Great idea.
You know what I mean?
Yes. Just to
Clean
sharpen it up a little bit.
some of the areas, maybe. That is terrible. I look like a fucking cat or something.
See, you're giving cat. It might be the ears. Pardon. It's been centuries. Oh man, I'm not feeling very skeletonish.
Are we done?
I am.
Did you put cracks?
Yeah, right here.
All right. Up close, not so great. Let's take a look at from afar. Oh. Don't forget to readjust your
I look like a sad man.
You actually don't look bad from far away.
I know, it's true.
Wait, let's do the pose. Is this fierce? I think it wasn't as bad as I thought.
I look awful. I don't look
But
like a skeleton
let's
at
bring
all.
Tristan in.
Tristan! Please come in. Tristan is my fiance, everyone.
Yay!
I am the woman he's marrying.
A woman of his dreams, right here.
In nightmares. Should we look away? Wait,
Yes.
look away. Tell us when to turn around.
Sure.
What do we look like? Wait, do the pose, Hayley.
What are we?
Skeletons?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
See?
Oh, okay, I see it.
Do I look like a skeleton?
She looks closer to the picture, but you look
You look dead.
you look a little more like you've been through it.
Get out.
All right, Kayli, what do you rate this out of 5? This is a 2 out of 5.
I give it a good 1. I feel like I don't look like a skeleton. I'm not fierce. I feel like
I'm not fierce at all.
the equipment might have been really the issue. We didn't
Yeah.
get enough
Oh,
sponges.
quippy. Do you think you can go all night with this on?
I feel
The way if I bump into a wall, that's just off. If I hit anybody, like it's all over my hands.
Oh, yeah.
I know you're supposed to set with this powder, but this powder is so loose.
yeah.
And it doesn't. Like I would probably suggest getting like not a sponge, but a little like like that fluffy powder brush.
You need, I feel like the like this applicator is not
It's
doing it.
It's too
And
concentrated in one area.
and then it smears it.
That's what exactly.
I also feel like there should have been more. Maybe what could have made it better is if there's like an outline that you could put on your face.
Not a stencil for your.
I needed a stencil.
But see, your forehead was too small. So what are we gonna do with that? The stencil wouldn't work for you, ho. It worked great for me. I had plenty of real estate.
It was a little rude. But anyways, what did we learn today?
We didn't learn anything, but you know
this
what?
is
Happy
not-
Halloween, y'all.
This is not gonna be my Halloween costume.
Don't forget to get your Halloween costume ahead of time,
Or you're gonna look like this.
or you're gonna look like us. Look like a mess.